Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall start picture story, that is bamboo curry. So this is the picture of bamboo curry and it is made up of bamboo shoots. Here is the picture of shoot. This is the tender bamboo. Mostly this curry is made in the eastern state of India, that is Assam, Meghalaya, etc., where bamboos are grown in plenty. Now here is a picture story. So this story is taken from the Santal folk tale. Now Santals are people who are living in the eastern part of India. So first one day the mother-in-law of a Santal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Now this mother-in-law, her daughter was married to a man. That man came to visit the mother-in-law. So she cooks one special dish. Now when the bridegroom he eats this dish, he says, "This curry is delicious." What it is? The mother-in-law pointed at the bamboo door. So mother-in-law, she just told that it is a bamboo curry. Means she pointed at the bamboo door. So next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Now this man, he liked the curry so much that he thought of preparing the same curry in his village. But in his village there was no bamboo trees. So what he did, he removed the bamboo door and carried it with him, left for his home. So from the mother-in-law's house, he carried the bamboo door. On reaching his village, he told his wife, "Make curry with this bamboo door." Now the wife was confused how to make. So she was shocked, means she was surprised. How can I make curry out of bamboo door? So the boy already he had eaten the curry at her mother's house. So what he said, "I will help you out." In 7th point we see the boy is saying, "Come, I'll help you by chopping up the bamboos," he said. His wife boiled it and boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, "It's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook." Now, this curry was too hard because it was made up of bamboo door, not bamboo shoot. So how can he cook? Because bamboo shoot are very tender bamboos. We can cook that bamboos. Now here this is stick. We can't eat a stick. It is hard, no? His wife added more water and boiled it and boiled it. "It's still too hard. I can't eat," the man said. Now meantime, the in-law, that is the mother-in-law, came to visit the young couple that evening. They all laughed at the foolishness. The mother-in-law said, "Didn't you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door?" So they started laughing. Why? Because the young couple, they were very young. They were not knowing which part of the plant the bamboo curry is made. So this was the picture story. I hope dear children you have understood it. Thank you for watching the video.